In this problem, we have a quadrilateral with consecutive sides of 28, 80, 60, and 96 is inscribed in a circle with a radius of 50. We want to determine the numeric area of this quadrilateral. When you have a quadrilateral inside a circle, this is a candidate for what's called Brahmagupta's theorem. And it's similar to Hero's formula when it applies to any triangle. And that is, what you do is you find the semi-perimeter of this quadrilateral. So take 96 plus 28 plus 80 plus 60, which is 264. So we take 264 and divide by 2, and we get 132. So to find the area, we take the square root of the semi-perimeter minus each side. So 132 minus 28 times 132 minus 80 times 132 minus 60 times 132 minus 96. And so 132 minus 28, 132 minus 80, 132 minus 60, 132 minus 96. And when we do, we get 3,744. And there's our answer. And we're done.